It is universally acknowledged fact that prevention is better than cure. The human body is a complex machine. It is a network of different organs, bones, muscles, and systems. Owing to the fact that the functioning of the human body is multifaceted, one needs to ensure regular health checkup. Regular health checkup should be part of one's fitness routine. It helps you to keep track of your health and fitness. It is important for people to go for a routine health checkup. Nowadays, many hospitals and institutions are providing various type of preventive health checkup based upon your age, gender. Many times the query arises who should go for a health checkup and what should be the frequency. So we have now categorized the people across all ages and gender into three categories. One category will be for the healthy people. So here healthy people we consider the people within the age of 30 having the normal BMI index that we consider from 18.5 to 24.9, who are non-smoker and non-drinker and they do not have any complicated disease. Then coming to the another section that we consider as unhealthy people who have some chronic or hereditary disease along with the higher BMI other, they should at least go for once in every year or at least once in every 2 years. Then we are coming to the next set of group that is above the age of 50. So irrespective of male or female, they should go for a routine checkup at least every 6 months or max at once in every year. Once you decided to go for a preventive health checkup, what should be the prerequisite? So as we are going for a test, it will go through number of blood tests and other screening. So couple of tests requires the fasting. So before one day, at least 10 to 15 hours before, we need to have empty stomach. So you can eat some light-weighted food without any spices or juice or liquid kind of thing. So that is the reason which will give the right indication as a part of your test. The second thing that we need to ensure that we need to wear loose clothes. We need to avoid the jewelry and any metallic object as many of the people will go for certain screening. And before the day, people are recommended to have a good night's sleep. Let's understand what are the benefit of preventive health checkup. So the first thing what we will get to know, every individual will come to know irrespective of the ages how healthy they are. The second thing here will be the early detection of the diseases. So in the early detection of the diseases will result in early treatment with less risk, and this also will eventually will save lot of healthcare cost and medical services. Once the treatment started at the very early stage, there is a good response for the cure of that particular disease, and this is a good way to build a partnership with the doctor uh, so that we will have a regular update on the health progress. The last but not the least is that people will come to know as from time to time various medical information and technology will got changed. They will cope up and they will check their health as per the current standard. Various hospital and lab have different packages depending upon the age group or any particular area that we want to do the test. So let's discuss about what are the key tests and screening that one can go through depending upon their need. The first thing is a blood pressure, eye, mouth and ears, cholesterol management, blood test including blood glucose, blood urea nitrogen, blood creatinine, electrolytes, urinalysis, electrocardiogram, body mass index, dental checkup, cancer screening which includes mammogram, pap smear, protease test, occult blood test and sigmoidoscopy. Viral hepatitis, different sexually transmitted diseases, HIV, AIDS, immunization schedule for the younger kids, tuberculosis and X-ray are the some of the key of them. Thank you for watching. Please do